Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English listening practice. Today we are going to learn about an important topic called climate change. Please listen carefully, read slowly, and try to repeat after each idea. This will help you improve your English speaking and listening skills. For many years, our planet Earth has given us everything we need. We see beautiful blue skies, tall green trees, flowing rivers, and high mountains. We enjoy sunny days, rainy nights, and cool winds. Nature gives us fresh air to breathe, clean water to drink, and food to eat. It also gives us animals, birds, forests, and oceans. Our Earth is full of life and beauty, and it has supported humans for thousands of years, but now something is changing. The weather is not the same as before. In many parts of the world, people are noticing unusual changes in temperature and rainfall. Some places are becoming very hot, and some places are becoming very cold. Some areas are facing heavy rain, while others are facing no rain at all. This change in weather over a long period of time is called climate change. Climate means the normal weather conditions of a place over many years. For example, some countries are usually warm, some are cold, and some are rainy. But when these long-term patterns start to change, it is called climate change. One major part of climate change is global warming. Global warming means the Earth is slowly becoming warmer. Scientists say the Earth is warming because of greenhouse gases. These gases are in the air and they trap heat from the sun. Normally, some heat escapes back into space, but greenhouse gases keep extra heat inside the atmosphere. This is a natural process and helps Earth stay warm. But now there are too many greenhouse gases, and they are trapping too much heat. This makes the Earth hotter than before. Human activities are the main reason for this increase in greenhouse gases. People burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. Cars, buses, airplanes, and factories all use these fuels. Power plants also burn fuel to produce electricity. When these fuels are burned, they release carbon dioxide into the air. Carbon dioxide is a very important greenhouse gas that increases global warming. Another important reason is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down trees and forests. People cut trees for farming, building houses, and making roads. Trees are very important because they absorb carbon dioxide from the air. When we cut too many trees, there are fewer trees to clean the air. As a result, more carbon dioxide stays in the atmosphere, and the Earth becomes warmer. Climate change is causing many problems around the world. One major problem is rising temperatures. Heat waves are becoming more common. A heat wave means very hot weather that lasts for many days. During heat waves, people feel weak, tired, and sick. Old people and children are especially affected. Animals also suffer because they cannot find enough water or shade. Another problem is heavy rainfall and flooding. In some places, it rains too much in a short time. Rivers overflow and streets become flooded. Houses get damaged and people lose their belongings. Roads and bridges are destroyed and life becomes very difficult. After floods, people need food, water, and shelter to survive and rebuild their homes. In other parts of the world, there is the opposite problem: drought. A drought happens when there is very little rain for a long time. Rivers dry up, lakes shrink, and the soil becomes dry. Farmers cannot grow crops, and animals do not have enough food or water. People may also face a shortage of drinking water. Droughts can last for months or even years. Climate change also affects oceans. The oceans absorb heat from the atmosphere. As the oceans become warmer, sea life is affected. Some fish move to cooler areas. Coral reefs get damaged and lose their color. Many sea animals lose their natural homes. Oceans are very important because they provide food and jobs to millions of people around the world. Another serious effect is melting ice. In cold regions like the Arctic and Antarctica, there are large ice sheets and glaciers. Because of rising temperatures, this ice is melting faster than before. When ice melts, it flows into the ocean, causing sea levels to rise. Rising sea levels can flood coastal areas and small islands. Some people may even lose their homes. Animals are also deeply affected by climate change. Polar bears depend on ice to hunt. Penguins live in cold regions. Many birds and animals depend on specific weather conditions. When the climate changes quickly, animals cannot adapt. Some lose their homes, some cannot find food, and some species may become endangered or extinct. Climate change also affects human health. Hot weather can cause heat stroke and dehydration. Air pollution can cause breathing problems like asthma. Floods can spread diseases through dirty water. Smoke from wildfires makes the air dangerous to breathe. Hospitals and doctors are working hard to help people during these situations. Farmers are also facing many difficulties. Crops depend on weather conditions. Some crops need rain, and some need dry weather. When the weather changes, farming becomes unpredictable. Sometimes crops fail, and farmers lose their income. This also affects food prices, making food more expensive for everyone. Climate change also affects jobs and the economy. Fishing communities may catch fewer fish. Tourism may be affected when natural places are damaged. Many industries need to change their methods to protect the environment. Businesses are slowly moving toward cleaner and greener technologies. Even though climate change is a serious problem, there is still hope. We can take action to slow it down. Every small action matters. We can save electricity by turning off lights when not needed. We can use less air conditioning and reduce energy use. We can walk or cycle instead of using cars for short distances. We can also use public transport to reduce pollution. Planting trees is one of the best solutions. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. They make the air cleaner and cooler. Trees also provide shelter for birds and animals. If more people plant trees, the environment will become healthier. We should also reduce waste. Many things we throw away can be reused or recycled. Recycling paper, plastic, glass, and metal helps reduce pollution. Using reusable bags and bottles instead of plastic can also help protect nature. Saving water is also very important. We should not waste water while brushing or washing. Fixing leaks and using water carefully can make a big difference. Clean water is very important for life. Schools and teachers are also teaching children about climate change. Students are learning how to protect nature by recycling and planting trees. Young people are very important because they represent the future. They can bring new ideas and help create a better world. Scientists are also working hard to understand climate change. They study weather patterns, oceans, and air quality. They help governments make better decisions. Many countries are also using renewable energy like solar power, wind energy, and hydropower. These energy sources are cleaner and do not produce harmful gases. Communities around the world are coming together to protect the environment. People are cleaning beaches, planting forests, and reducing pollution. When people work together, they can make a big difference. We must remember that protecting the earth is everyone's responsibility. Every small action matters. Even simple habits like saving electricity, planting trees, and reducing waste can help. If everyone contributes, we can slow down climate change and protect our planet for future generations. In conclusion, climate change is a big challenge for all of us. But it is also a chance to change our habits and live in a better way. If we take care of the earth will take care of us. Our planet is our home, and we must protect it with love and responsibility. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day and keep learning new things.